joy this team brings to their nation. Honour everyone who ever sees them, really. It's just the second time Fiji has won an Olympic medal. Both of them gold. Both of them won by their Sevens rugby team. So the gold medal to Fiji, silver New Zealand, bronze Argentina, and that brings us to the end of a memorable men's sevens program here at Tokyo 2020, but there's so much still to look forward to. The women still to come, and that promises to be a great tournament as well. A few hours away from starting here in Tokyo on this very same stadium that's been lit up by these players. It's been a joy to behold. And now the joy, all with the Fiji players. Their coach, Gareth Baber, held aloft. What a job he's done, emulating the feat of Ben Ryan before him. And that man there, number one, oh yes.